Alright, let's check out some multimedia stuff on the Devour, like web browsing, music, and some connectivity and syncing type stuff. So, first of all, let's take a look at the browser. And the right now I'm on miniclip.com, it looks like, and I was checking out Flashlight, which comes with the browser. And everything is typical Android browser, so we don't really need to go too in depth on this. I mean, the main thing here is you've got the 3.1 inch screen, and not a, it's HVGA resolution, so it's not as clear. How's it do? It's a decent screen. It's nothing that's going to blow you away. I mean, it's average specs. It's pretty good for the specs that it has, and the addition of Flashlight's pretty nice. So if I can zoom out here, I'm going to play. At least I think I'm gonna play. Defend the base. Whoa. I don't know how to play there, so I might be killing. Looks like I'm killing my team a lot. Alright, well anyways, you get the point. You get the point. Flashlight works on this phone. It's not going to work on all the different games and stuff. That's why it is called Light. But it does add a new level of texture and depth to the web. I'm going to take a look and give you some examples too. If I go to Fandroid, whoops. Hello. See, and this is why it's nice to use this keyboard. Or, actually I don't need to because I'll just pop right there. But like, here's this banner up here. I mean, I'm not sure how excited you're going to be about getting to see an ad in Flash, but just everything in Flash, like different banners, different graphics on the actual site. Videos is a big one that are inline. Like, oops, I just opened another window on accident. Excuse en wall. Looks like I clicked on that ad. So, if I go to this unboxing video, this has a YouTube video of me unboxing the Devour, and you'll see it'll render directly in the post, which is kind of neat, and we don't get to see in many Android phones. So, that'll go ahead and play right there in the browser. Oh, I can complete it. I can just jump right to YouTube, but it will play it for me here, or at least it should. Of course. Also in the package. So here we go, the video is now playing, and it's just cool to be able to watch this in line. I mean, you don't get to see this with a lot of Android phones, and this is and I can always, pop it up and open in YouTube and go to the YouTube version of the app. But it's just nice to be able to do. And YouTube, it's Rob from Fandroid.com, and I'm here with the Motorola Devour. You can see renders it much better, so you can watch it in Flashlight in the browser, but this is going to work much better. And then you can always do more. Oh, it's already watching in high quality, so you can switch and toggle between normal and high quality. So overall, the web browsing experience is decent. The screen's kind of small. The resolution isn't great. This isn't going to jump out at you in videos and pictures like the Nexus 1 or Droid does, but it does do a pretty decent job, and having Flashlight is a nice little perk. On the music side of things, we just have the typical little music widget, and right now I have Ronald Jenkins playing. And of course I could stick in some headphones with this 3.5mm headset jack and use this just like on the go with little earbuds or huge headphones or whatever takes the 3.5mm headset jack actually. Now, you're all familiar probably with this layout, which is the typical Android artist layout, which I'm not a big fan of at all. It could be a lot better. By the way, Ronald Jenkins is the man. You should check him out on YouTube. So, not much to see here. It's decent. It's okay. It does the trick. And I personally don't use my phone usually for my main music device anyways, because I don't want it to break. I don't want to. Usually, I'm listening to music when I'm running and stuff like that. So I just dump a whole lot of music on my SD card when I want to listen to it, and I trade it out. I don't like do a whole lot of syncing and keeping everything up to date. I just put stuff on it when I want there. And that's one cool thing that Motorola offers is some unique syncing options with your computer. So if you are someone that likes to do that, it is a pretty cool. Actually, let's check out a few of the syncing options. So first of all, I'm going to plug the one end of the micro USB into my phone, and the other end into the USB on my computer. And the first time you do this, it's probably going to ask you if you want to, if you want to download all the software for Motorola, which you're kind of going to need to do. But there are 4 different sync options. Motorola PC Tools, which is pretty neat, and you can see it just launched my browser window, and it says here Moto Phone Portal. Let's see if I can zoom in there. And you can do some pretty cool things. So if I just click next here, it shows all the pictures that I've taken. I can delete these off my card. I can check out, music is in here. Pictures in the music category. These Ronald Jenkins CD covers. I can check out all my contacts. And if I edit this stuff in here, it's going to edit on my phone too. So this is just it's a way to do it on your desktop computer if you're more comfortable with doing that. But let's see what else we've got in here. Settings. So you can set what ringtone you want. You can set what wallpaper you want and set set some of your pictures as wallpaper. Of course, this is stuff you can do on your phone too. But it might just be easier, more comfortable for you to do on your desktop computer, and it's all going to sync anyways. So my browsing history's in here. So it's pretty cool. Just another option, and also shows in your upper right hand corner your signal, your battery life. So I'm charging, but I'm at a low battery life. It shows you how much memory you have left and all that good stuff. So that's the first option on here for your USB connection. That's Motorola PC Tools. The second, I use the Manage Memory Card as the one I usually use, which if you select that, it will just allow you to open your SD card like it's a regular disk drive. So what I would do is open the folder to view files, and then I actually think here's a music folder right here, and this is actually stuff that I did using the other syncing program. I accidentally put the music folder in, it looks like, where the camera saves its stuff. So I can actually move this to the main directory and just do yes, and it will move the full album there. So this is what I would normally do, just dump all the music and all the files I want onto my SD card this way. Of course, there's another way to do it with music syncing or whatever that other option was. USB connection. You can do Windows Media Sync. I don't really have a need to sync my stuff. Like I said, I just dump whatever I want on the SD card when I want it, and I'll switch music out and pictures out every now and then. There are some things I've been thinking about doing as far as cloud services for file hosting and stuff like that, but I haven't really jumped on anything yet. I'm sure I probably will in the next few months. But yeah, that is those are the different options. It's interesting to see this modem mode, and I was kind of wondering what that was, and I couldn't find anything about it. I need to look into that a little bit more, so report back to me, I guess, and check out fandroid.com, and I'm going to try and get word on that. So Devour multimedia, web connectivity, and of course it has 3G, Wi-Fi, GPS, USB 2.0, Bluetooth, and actually there is one more connectivity option. One last connectivity option we forgot to tell you about is Media Share, and you can actually get this application here. It's preloaded onto your phone, and You can either play media or select media for playback on 2M595 and share media so this device could get it from you. What it is if your phone is on the same Wi-Fi network as a computer, then you can basically connect the two. So I could have media from here be on my computer and be playing media from my computer on my phone without any wired connection. So they're just using Wi-Fi. So that's something else you can do, and again, that's called Media Share, and it's in your app tray. But overall, yeah, guys, that's the Motorola Devour web multimedia and connectivity. Pretty basic stuff. It doesn't have anything that's gonna really wow you, but it covers the bases.